You can have your baby. I don't know who would teach you. I guess I would teach your baby. Which one is all stop?
Doesn't have video.
Oh, I'm recording.
Oh,
Get him, son.
I have this box picture for their family. Just don't make one.
Well, they gotta wait. They want to wait till they know it's happening, then. Woo! Woo! Is it good for you? What, was that good for you? Did you guys have fun? They're no longer clean. Yeah. You got yours? Yeah. Look how excited you are. Woo! It's good night. Did you just need me to distract her for you? Was that what that was?
Get the whistle. We're pretty sure it's a gray as a boy.
Boy, we didn't know that.
Maybe white.
Listen to him.
Yeah. Give her that call. Go back for seconds, man.
I think it's pretty weird.
I'm gonna let
Okay. Maybe Brandon made him jealous and he had to try to express himself. Ready? Yeah, I know I am.
That's fine, son.
Yeah.